Hello everyone, welcome to SkillWeb. Today we will learn how to create a calendar in Google Sheet. So let's begin the video. First open your Google Spreadsheet. Now all you need to do is use the template from Google Sheets on Calendar. Now explore the template and you will see the calendar. So here is the calendar template. Click on it. So here is the annual calendar. If you want to make a monthly calendar, you can see the tab sheet here. It starts from January to December. Now you can customize it as you like. You can also edit the background color and make a certain date or add some notes. That's for today. Hope this video helped you out. Stay tuned for more helpful videos here at SkillWeb. This video is sponsored by Girosoft. Girosoft offers graphic design, UI UX design, digital marketing and web development. Elevate your brand with Girosoft today. For more details, check the description box.